What's up, my beautiful people? You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're seeing my face for the very first time, you are so welcome. In today's video, I want to show you how to stop excessive oil on your skin using aloe vera and also minimize the pores. Now aloe vera is so good, you guys probably know that, and I'm going to be mixing it with some other natural ingredients, which is going to be very effective. So if you're new to my channel, you are welcome, and don't forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the bell icon so you will be notified when I upload a new video, and follow me on Instagram, and also leave your personal, curious or beauty questions on my website. The link will be at my description box and also at my comment section. Alright guys, so without wasting any of your time, let's dive into this video. For excessive oily skin and oily face, we're going to be needing aloe vera. Alright, so I just actually cut this aloe vera from my small farm, and it's still bringing out the yellowish liquid stuff. You can see that it's really fresh. Aloe vera is fast. Aloe vera is good for the hair, it's good for the skin, it's good to reduce weight, it's good for belly fat, it's good in all ramification, and it helps to reduce excessive pores, and it's perfect for an acne prone skin. Aromatic treatment that helps to remove wrinkles, excessive oil, which shrink the skin and minimize fine lines, wrinkles, helps to increase the skin elasticity, therefore reducing fine lines, wrinkles, pimples, and it also helps to shrink a sagging skin. And that's why we need it for this treatment, because it's going to reduce the size of the pores, and therefore the oil that is being produced from the pores is not going to be so much. And when it's not so much, that means you have a reduced amount of oil. Now the next ingredient for the treatment, we're going to be needing egg, and in this treatment we'll be needing just the white. Now you know that egg white helps to tighten up the skin. It reduces fine lines, it reduces the size of large pores. It helps to increase the skin elasticity, therefore minimizing fine lines, aging skin, and large pores on the skin. Now the last ingredient we're gonna be needing is lemon. Lemon is acidic in nature, and as such it helps to trigger the skin in such a way that it reduces the excessive largeness of the pores. It helps to glow the skin, removing the sharp edges, which of course, so it does not pierce our hand. What's all this nonsense? Now you're going to peel this up. Make sure that it's just the peel, although sometimes if you have a very small aloe vera just like I have now, it's going to be difficult to remove just the peel. So I'm going to be extracting the gel from the aloe vera into this very small beautiful bowl, and we're going to be using the gel for the oily face and oily skin. Okay, now aloe vera juice is usually very slimy, and this is it. Now you can as well just remove the aloe vera gel just like what it is right now. This is just going to be a waste. I'm so not happy to waste this, but yeah, you can blend it, put it in a jar and store it. Okay, so after that I'm going to just stir it a little bit. I'm going to take just a little amount of cucumber, And then we're gonna grate the cucumber so we can extract just the juice of the cucumber. Since we don't need much of the juice, that will be enough. And so we're going to be turning that into a very small strainer, and we'll strain it. So here is my cucumber juice, and what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be turning this into, I'll rather turn the aloe vera into the cucumber juice. Alright, so here it is. I'm going to be cutting the egg, and then since we need just the whites, I'm going to allow the whites go inside. Now that quantity of egg whites is okay. Now we're going to keep this aside, and then we're going to cut the lemon because that is the last ingredient. Alright, so we're going to squeeze in a little bit of lemon. Now lemon is very important for this excessive oil on the skin. Now after we've squeezed that in, we're just going to stir all this up. Now what you do is that you can actually just store this into a jar that has something in which you can press it onto your face. Alright, the sliminess is just going to reduce because of the lemon. So what you do is to pour this into a jar which you just press onto your face. But in the absence of that, you can just take the treatment, rub it onto your face, especially at your T-zone area, and then you massage it for a little while. Alright, massage it for a little while, and then you leave it on to dry. Leave this treatment onto your face to completely dry. Now when it's dry, you will notice that your face would be tightened. Your face would be as if it is squeezed together. That is actually helping to minimize the large pores. Alright, and also the lemon is just going to go into your pores and reduce the excessiveness of the oil. And there you have it. You can actually be using this treatment for like 2 weeks, and yeah, you can use it every day because of the lemon. You can use it 3 times in a week. You can just pour it in a jar, put it in a refrigerator. Any day you want to use it, you take it out and then you use it for 2 weeks. When you continue using this, it's going to be very visible, and your excessive oil is going to reduce so much. Yeah, and it's 100% natural without any chemicals, so you have to also be patient while using this. Basically that's it, guys. You just need to give it a little time, and this treatment is just gonna work wonders. It is natural, it works really good. Alright, and it's just going to tighten up your pores, and it's going to remove the wrinkles. If you have fine lines, the fuller edge is going to work so good on that. Alright, so go try this out if you want to, and you're going to be seeing a great result. So if you do love this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share the video, and also turn on your notification bell so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Follow me on Instagram, and also drop your personal, curious, or beauty questions on my website. Alright, I'm always there to answer all of your questions. I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay beautiful. Bye guys.